There are people less qualified than you, doing things you want to do, simply because they decided to take action. Jack Ma. If you want more money to start flowing into your life effortlessly, follow these 10 money rules on how the rich attract more money. Number 10. Rich people surround themselves with other wealthy individuals. If you are the smartest person in the room, then you are in the wrong room. Confucius. Rich people believe that success breeds success, and it is not achieved in isolation. By surrounding themselves with individuals who are driven and successful, they are able to tap into a wealth of knowledge, experience, and resources. They are able to see firsthand what is possible and gain a greater sense of what the secret recipe is for success. This way, they are able to achieve their goals at a faster pace than they would on their own. Being in the company of successful people also allows them to expand their networks and make valuable connections. This can lead to collaborations and partnerships that might not have been possible otherwise. Number 9. Rich people have the ability to bounce back from failures. Before J.K. Rowling was named the world's highest-paid author by Forbes in 2008, she faced numerous rejections from publishers who were not interested in her first Harry Potter manuscript. Despite this setback, Rowling refused to give up and persevered on her writing until finally, the first book in the Harry Potter series was accepted for publication. The rest, as they say, is history. Rowling's story is a testament to the power of resilience in the face of failure. Just like her, many rich people embrace failure as an opportunity to learn and grow, rather than as something to be avoided at all costs. Instead of dwelling on their mistakes, they analyze and learn from them, and use that experience to improve their strategies and make better decisions in the future. This enables them to push past their limits and pursue their goals with greater tenacity. Number 8. Rich people are innovators. If I had asked the public what they wanted, they would have said a faster horse. Henry Ford. From Steve Jobs to Jeff Bezos to Elon Musk, the genius minds behind Apple, Amazon, and Tesla, the most successful individuals are visionaries and revolutionists who radically change the way we live and experience things. They have a knack for finding ways to innovate and disrupt industries. They see opportunities where others only see obstacles and close the gap in between. They are willing to question the status quo, challenge conventional wisdom, and go against the grain to have a positive impact on the world. They develop new products and services that make our lives easier, more efficient, and more enjoyable. Number 7. Rich people have multiple streams of income. A 2018 CNBC article written by Tom Corley, an author who studies millionaires, revealed that 65% of millionaires have 3 sources of income, 45% have 4, and 29% have 5 or more income sources. The rich know that relying on a single income stream is risky, and it only limits their earning power. This is why they eliminate their dependence on any one income source by creating multiple streams of wealth. This can include investments in stocks and real estate, or starting their own companies by creating products and services that people need. This not only allows them to build wealth faster, but also provides an avenue to pursue their real passions and interests. Doing so enables them to choose what matters most to them while achieving financial freedom as a result. Number 6. Rich people invest in themselves first. Your greatness is limited only by the investments you make in yourself. Grant Cardone. The rich understand that their success is directly linked to their ability to continually grow and improve themselves. The more valuable they are, the wealthier they become. This is why they always attend conferences and workshops, hire coaches and mentors, and take courses to learn new skills or improve existing ones. Continuous learning allows them to gain a competitive advantage in their industries. They become an irreplaceable asset in their companies and highly valued by their business partners and clients. Investing in themselves also allows them to cultivate a strong sense of self-confidence and self-reliance. This drives them to make bold moves to pursue ambitious goals that others may shy away from. Number 5. Rich people don't procrastinate. One today is worth 2 tomorrows. Lost time is never found again. Benjamin Franklin. Wealthy people know that time is their most valuable resource, and they don't waste it on needless distractions. Procrastination only leads to missed opportunities and regrets. They understand that every minute wasted is potential money that can never be regained. That's why they take immediate action, whether it's through setting clear goals, prioritizing tasks, or delegating responsibilities. They have a laser-focused vision of what they want to achieve and work tirelessly to make it happen. Furthermore, the rush of accomplishment that comes with getting things done fuels their motivation and propels them toward even greater heights. Number 4. Rich people invest in assets, not liabilities. Assets appreciate in value and generate passive income over time, while liabilities drain resources, depreciate in value, and often require ongoing expenses. The rich know this by investing in assets like stocks, businesses, and rental properties that enable them to generate passive income. They are extremely careful in spending their money on liabilities such as expensive cars, designer clothes, or luxury vacations that only provide short-term satisfaction. By acquiring assets, they are able to leverage their money and make it work for them, providing them sustainable wealth that can last for generations, while avoiding the trap of overspending on expensive liabilities. Number 3. Rich people take calculated risks. The rich know that not all risks are created equal. That's why they take calculated risks, carefully weighing the potential rewards against the possible downsides, and make informed decisions based on data and analysis. Instead of jumping into a risky venture or buying a piece of real estate blindly, they do strategic planning to help them minimize risks and maximize returns. They conduct their research, seek advice from experts, and consider all possible outcomes. Number 2. The rich have a long-term perspective. Wealthy people know that success isn't about immediate gratification, but rather a result of patience and consistent effort over time. They are not swayed by quick wins or get-rich-quick schemes, but instead, they prioritize long-term goals and strategies. They take advantage of opportunities that may not immediately pay off, but have the potential for substantial growth in the future. They focus on building sustainable wealth that can withstand economic fluctuations and market volatility. This way, they are able to create a legacy that will stand the test of time. Before getting into number 1, kindly hit the subscribe button so you never miss out on future videos. With that said, here is number 1. Rich people live below their means. The rich spend lesser than they earn and avoid splurging on unnecessary luxuries. By doing so, they are able to save and invest more money into their businesses or assets, which in turn produce more income and wealth. This financial discipline keeps them far from the traps of overspending and debt. Living below their means doesn't mean they sacrifice their quality of life or happiness. In fact, many wealthy people find that living a simpler, more minimalist lifestyle actually brings them more joy and fulfillment than constantly chasing after material possessions. So the next time you see a millionaire driving a modest car or living in a modest home, remember that they are likely doing so by choice, not necessity. Make sure to check out the next video, as you will surely get a ton of value from it. Thanks, and see you again.